Dear student, we want to teach today the fourth type of change the voice which name is imperative sentence. प्यार से मराठी में उसे कहते हैं but how we recognize imperative sentence? आज्ञार्थी वाक्य कसं ओळखायचं? कोणी सांगेल? Can you tell me? Yes, anybody? आज्ञार्थी वाक्य कसं ओळखायचं? Yes? Very good. Excellent. We sentence start by verb is called imperative sentence. For example, give the answer or your title. Change the voice. It has an example of imperative sentence. This sentence is in AV. We want to make it AV. This sentence in positive voice, passive voice, start the sentence with let. हे वाक्य कशाने सुरू केलं जातं? let. After, take the object of sentence. Which is object? The answer. Let the answer. After join be. नंतर काय जोडावं लागतं? be. And then write third form of verb. नंतर क्रियापदाचं तिसरं रूप. क्यू का थर्ड फॉर्म क्या है? If there have complementary part, write after third form of verb. जर वाक्यात एक्स्ट्रा पार्ट असेल तर कुठे टाकायचा? क्रियापदाच्या तिसऱ्या रूपाच्या शेवटी. इथे क्रियापदाला बाय वगैरे जोडला शेवटी बाय वगैरे जोडला जात नाही. And second example, change the voice. Start the sentence with let. After object, the voice. Then be. And the third form of verb, change. Any problem? No. No problem? No. Okay.